Hello and welcome to Slow German. I'm showing you how my page slowgerman.com works. First of all, you go to the web page and then you have the menu bar right on top of the site. You have the button Hilf Annik, and when you click it, you can see how you can help me, how you can support my podcast. You can write me an email at podcast@slowgerman.com. Or you can be a premium subscriber, getting more bonus materials. You can be a Patreon supporter, or you can send me a book or something from my Amazon wish list. And down here, there's the PayPal button where you can make a small donation. Then you have the premium. That's only if you're logged in as a premium user. And here you can get the faster version, schneller. Or you can have the fun and not so fun facts. Märchen means fairy tales, grammar lessons, or poems. And down here, that's my account, so you can check your data. Then back to the fun facts. You see, in fun fact is about 6 or 7 lines of text. And then down here there's a play button and you can listen to the slow version and after that the faster version. There's many different fun facts. Now if you go to the fairy tales, you have Hänsel und Gretel, or you have Dornröschen, or Hans im Glück, and many other fairy tales. And again, you have this player where you can listen to the slow version, and if you click on mehr, meaning more, and down at the bottom of the text, you have the version with the faster spoken fairy tale. You have a few grammar lessons, one concerning the articles, der, die, das, again with the player. Then you have die Großschreibung, der Satzbau, and finally die 6 Zeiten, the tenses. If you click on Gedichte, you find poems by Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, or Schiller, or Heine. Then there's the free content. If you click on audio, you see a player with all the recent episodes. You can listen to them for free. And beneath that, there's a small text to each episode. And if you click on that, there's the whole text. So you can read along while you listen to an episode. If you're looking for a special category, those are here under Kategorien, and you can click on one of those and then you see every episode that's an absolute beginner episode or history or anything else. The how-to section is where we are right now, where you found this video, and then we have the FAQs with many answers to questions that you wrote via email. On every page down here there's a player showing the most recent episode, so you can listen while you browse. And that's the most recent 3 episodes, always showing here on slowgerman.com. And if you click on one, yeah, that's the same one, you see. You have a few info texts here, down here, also in English if you click on the top right. Something about me, something about the podcast, and a contact form where you can send me a text. Okay, and if you click on one of the episodes, first of all you have a little description, and then you have the player. You can change the speed. and you can skip forward or back 15 seconds or 1 minute. And on the right of the button of this player, you have the download button. So you can download the episode as an MP3. And if you click on more, you can share it with friends on Twitter or Facebook. Then there's the text to read along while you listen. Sometimes there are videos, YouTube videos, and then there's the text as a PDF file that you can download for free. And for subscribed users, premium users, you have learning material to each and every episode and the faster version down here. There's one specialty that I want to show you. Some of the words are underlined. I hope you see it. Like this one, Pest or Nächstenliebe. And if you hover over this word with your mouse on the desktop computer or your laptop, it doesn't work on the mobile, you see the English translation. You see here? Yes. I hope that helps a little to understand the texts. Down at the bottom of the site, you can always leave me a comment to each and every episode. I always like to get comments or email. And what else is there to tell you? Oh, okay, we can tell you something about the sidebar. Yes, on the sidebar, you see that there are also accounts, Slow German accounts at YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can follow me there. If you click on those, you are linked to the profiles at the social networks. Then you have the podcast link. This is the link you need to subscribe to the podcast in your podcatcher. Just copy and paste. Then there's the donation button, PayPal, and the Patreon link. And then you can drop me your email here and then you'll get the newsletter. And there are also Alexa skills for Slow German, one for Germany and one is in English. Well, I think that's all I wanted to tell you. Hope you're having fun listening and hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Tschüss.